division. Division. So here for division there are two methods. One is actual division method, second is linear division method. But as due to COVID-19 pandemic, the second division method is now removed from your syllabus for this year. That is removed for this year. So only one method that we have to discuss, that is linear method. Sorry, only one method, division method. So here in this division method, in standard 9, when we have studied such division, 21 by 4, 4 5 are 20, subtraction 1. So here that is quotient, that is quotient, that is divisor, that is divisor, that is dividend, and that is your remainder. That is your remainder. So that we have studied. And in standard 8, using all this, you have to read this formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I am using short form for remainder, that is remainder. Okay, that is the formula for your dividend. Okay, now let's discuss division. So here from question 5, 3.1 question 5, and this is the first question. Divide x cube minus 64 by x minus 4. And the question is, write it in the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay? Okay. So for division, here two different techniques. I am using your easiest method. How you can divide it? Firstly, whatever your dividend, write down dividend in their index form. Now, as we have studied division, whatever your dividend, write it in the index form. Here x cube plus 0x square plus 0x and then minus 64. Write down this dividend in index form. What was this second? I use your divisor. Write here divisor. Now how to divide it? Now here simple technique. What was this first term? Divide this by this first term. What is first term containing variable and this first term? Here divisor containing variable. Divide this one by this separate. So here for easy method I am using this method. First of all you have to perform this division. X cube by x. So that will be x square. Whatever answer you get, write this answer here. X square. Okay? We have the answer. Now second thing. Multiply these two by x square. So here x square into x minus 4. That you have to perform. Multiply both these by this. Division, then multiplication. So here, if we perform this, x cube minus 4x square. Now, write on this term here below the like point. So here, x cube minus 4x square. Okay? But while performing division, you have to change signs. So here plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus. Change the signs. So if we change the signs, then this plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. 0x square plus 4x square, there remains only 4x square. Now take this next term below. So here plus 0x plus 0. Next term below. So here you have to take next term here. Next term here plus 0x. Now again same method. Whatever the first term, this one divided by this one. So here 4x square by x. So answer will be 4x. So write down this 4x with sign here plus 4x. Now next term multiply this and this again. Similar quotient multiplication, quotient then multiplication. So here 4x into x minus 4. Multiply this and this. So here if we multiply, we will get 4x square minus 16x. Okay, right now this term below this one by one. So here 4x square minus 16x. Again change their sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This first term gets cancelled. Plus 0x plus 16x. That is 16x. Okay. Now this next term here, that will be minus 64. One by one you take term below here. Now again power 1 you can divide. You can divide this until their power is same. When this power is less than this power, you have to stop there. Power set, you can divide. So here again say question, multiply question, again question. 16x by this x, that is 16. So write on this with sign plus 16. Now multiply this again this. So here 16 into x minus 4, that will be 16x minus 64. Write down these terms here. 16x minus 64. As you are performing division, change your signs. Minus, that is plus. Get cancelled. Plus minus. Now minus 64 plus 64, 0. So in this way, we have completed this division. And now, as the final answer, write down this in that format. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here one by one we write dividend, that will dividend original x cube minus 64 equal to divisor, that is x minus 4. As it contains two terms, you have to make that into you are quotient. This portion is a quotient, and as it contains more than one term, again bracket x square plus 4x plus 16, and then plus remainder, that is 0. Right or no? In this way we have to write. Can we consider one more example? So let's consider one more example. Example second from 3.2. From 3.2. As it contains more term, x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2, and divide them by x square minus x. Okay, no problem. So first thing that we have to perform, write the dividend in index form. So here 5x to the power 5 plus 4x4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2, and then here your divisor. Now here I am performing for our simplification, not more than that, for our simplification. So first step, this one. First one divided by this first one. That means arrange this binomial in descending power, dividing. So here 5x to the power 5 by x squared. So what will be your answer? That will be 5x cubed. While division, you have to use laws of indices. Okay? Subtraction of power. Write this here 5x cubed. Now next step, multiply this form. So here 5x cubed into x square minus x. Division, multiply. So multiply this 5 into 1, 5. X cubed into x square, that is x to the power 5 using laws of indices. And now 5x cube into x, that is minus sign minus 5x to the power 4. Now write this term here below the like term. So here 5x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4. Now change their signs. This plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus. While subtraction, you have to change the signs. Okay, this first term automatically gets cancelled. Now plus 4x to the power 4. Again this plus. Forget original sign. Now you have to consider only new sign. Plus, again plus plus plus. So 4 plus 5, 9x to the power 4. Now take this next term below here, minus 3x cubed. Okay. Now same. Consider this first term divided by this term. So here 9x to the power 4 by x squared. So answer will be 9x squared. So here write this plus 9x squared. Now next step, multiply this with this. So here 9x squared in bracket x squared minus x. So multiply one by one. So that will be 9x to the power 4 minus 9x cubed. Now write this term below here. 9x to the power 4 minus 9x cubed. Change the sign. This plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. First term gets cancelled. Okay. So here minus 3 plus 9, that is plus 6 plus 6x cubed. Now next term below this, that is plus 2x squared. Okay. There is no need to write first plus sign, that is by default plus sign. Again we have to continue. Now divide this by this. So here 6x cubed by x squared. So answer will be 6x. Write this answer here with sign plus 6x. Now multiply this and this again. 6x into x square minus x. So here that will be 6x cubed minus 6x square. Okay. Now here write this 6x cubed minus 6x square. Again change sign. This minus, this plus. This term automatically gets cancelled. Plus minus gets cancelled. Now plus 2x square plus 6x square. That is plus 8x square. Now next term below this, that will be 0x. So here plus 0x. Same we have to continue. Again quotient, divide this by this. 8x square by x square. So answer is 8. Write this here plus 8. Now next step, multiply these two. So here 8 into x square minus x. So that will be 8x square minus 8x. Now write this 8x square minus 8x. Again change sign, minus, that is plus. This term gets cancelled, plus minus 0x plus 8x, that is 8x. Now this next term plus 2. Now check this and check this. Power 2, power 1. Then this power is less than this power. You cannot divide further. You cannot divide further. So you have to stop there. You cannot divide further. So here this portion, that is your quotient. This portion, that is your divisor. This portion, that is your dividend. And this portion is your remainder. And then you have to write the answer in this format, whatever dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In that format, you have to write answer. Okay, and today we stop here. So here, as whatever we have studied addition, multiplication in 3.2, question number 2, 3, 4, 5. I have already taken question from that. That is first 10 question I have taken. So remaining questions from 3.2 that we have to solve. And question number 6, that is completely erased from your syllabus for this year. And then from problem set. Whatever problems based on addition, subtraction. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 from problem set. They are based on the knowledge of 3.1. And then from question number 6, 7, 8. Question number 6, 7, 8. They are based on this one. Based on knowledge of 3.2. What we studied today. Question number 6, 7, 8 as homework. So remaining question from 3.2. Homework. Remaining questions from 3.2 and problem set 3. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 based on knowledge of 3.1. Question number 6, 7, 8 based on knowledge of 3.2. So these are homework. That is your homework. Okay? Homework or you have to perform their practice. And then we will continue from here to the next.